Welcome back to another video. My 3000 GT, of course. So I'm doing some maintenance, first suspension and brakes. I will replace the the sway bar end link, and that's the rear one. And it doesn't look exactly the same as they look totally different, and I will replace this one as well, even though it looks okay. But this car is a 93 and this is 2001. All right, this is the rear sway bar link, and see there's that nut here, and there is one at the bottom which I started to loosen. And so the bottom one, to remove it, you have to hold this one here with a vice grip, and also this here you have to hold this down as well. So yeah, for example, you put this here, and okay, and then I have this here to counterweight it, because if you don't do that, this bolt, it will just spin. Electric is faster, but okay. Okay, pause. These are the original parts, so hard to come out. Okay. So those are needed for the replacement. Okay, like that. So how do I take this out? Oh, there we go. Oh, I think, oh, there we go. There we go. So where was this at? Up front? Like this? Yep. Like this. So these are the bushings. All right, this is the front sway bar length or end. That's the sway bar or stabilizer, and this is the front one. And so to remove it, it's basically the same as the other one, and you see there's this here to support it. And now let's see if we can, I tried earlier and it looks like I got lucky where I don't need to use a plier, something to counter weight the other one. So, but what I did, you can see up here, I supported it. I raised it a little bit up. However, when we're putting this thing back, I can't drop this down because the alignment won't be, when I say alignment, it will not be tight enough. So we have to leave it the way it is right here to tie it. Okay, so you see the whole thing is spinning, so that means I need to hold this down. Feel me? Let me see with my hand. See how it goes? Alright, so we get that. Okay, and we just have to take this one out. So basically it's the same. So I leave it like this for now. I'm waiting for the parts to arrive. Okay, so but this is how you take it off. Stop. Stop. Is it clear?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So with this one, let's do this one. Okay. Good. Well, this is the one, the original came out of the vehicle, and without looking at it correctly, I ordered this online based on the vehicle year model, and this is what they sent me. And well, that's the one I bought also. So when it came and I looked at it here, and they are not exactly the same. Well, yeah, look at that. So you can see this part here has a little washer that's separated from this here, and this doesn't have it. So if I go ahead and place this one, there will be, instead without this washer in the middle, over time this will scramble. So I'm returning it and then put the same old one back, because when I look at it, it's fine. It's fine. There's no crack. I'm just going to put it back because it would take me about a week or more to get this to get another one from the company. I ordered it online, so this is what I'm going to do. And when you look at it, that's this one here, and you see. Okay, now let me take it apart. There you go, here, and this part here sits on this joint here, and as a result, you see one side is worn out more than the other. So, and this side, that's the bottom one. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to switch them, and I put this one up like this, okay, and place it okay like this, and then have is that the way it is? No, and turn it, yeah, put this up like this, and then there we go. That's the one that's worn out. I can it doesn't matter which way, like this. So I just switch them around. So that's the good one, and this bottom one is just to hold it together. And like so, see, I rotated them, and so that's the bolt. So I did exactly the same thing on the other side. Same thing on the other side. And for here, and just put the put the bar, okay, and this. So so now just have to tie them. So I'm tightening them, the bottom one. Okay. So I put something to hold this one here a little bit, yeah, like this. If you have a, you can use a electric ratchet to do it, but some stuff requires your own force, so you know how much force you're applying. Top one, it's good to go, and the bottom one, let me see, yeah, it still turns. Again, it turns, of course it has to turn because of the top. So let me hold it again just to do the finish. Still a little bit, maybe still needs a little bit more. Again, you know, there's not the bolt, not the bolt, the plastic, the rubber joint, so it will keep on spinning. Yeah, because this is rubber, hard rubber, so it will keep on spinning. So I think it's good. So again, you see, I put the same one back, and new one, that's the same procedure. Okay. Thanks for watching, and now I'm going to do the brake. So even for that brake, they sent me the wrong one, but luckily I didn't need to do the brake, the rear brake. I will only do the front brake on another video. Thanks for watching.